This is a short video training on Commonwell, a health information exchange that the Ventura County Healthcare Agency and Cerner is using. Today, this is Brian Yee, Cerner trainer and health information analyst at Magnolia Clinic. This video is for our back office personnel and what they need to do in order to verify sources and also reconcile charts. So from your power chart, you'll need to navigate to your patient's chart. Once you do so, you'll go down to, on the left screen, left menu, the Outside Records tab on the main gray menu. You'll see on the right-hand side, it'll say Commonwell, possibly say Commonwell enrolled, or possibly Commonwell not enrolled. If it says not enrolled, the patient may have chosen to opt out of our Commonwell Health Information Exchange, or it is possible they need to be manually enrolled. In order to do that, your front office personnel should know how to do that. The reason why they need to be manually enrolled is if their name does not match, maybe they're using a middle initial in one hospital, let's say St. John's or CMH, and then only a full middle name in our Cerner. It could also be date of birth is incorrect or not matching. Could also be a hyphenated last name versus a non-hyphenated last name. So many things could trigger where it says not enrolled, even though they have opted in during the registration process. It could say not enrolled if you need to manually enroll them. Your front office personnel should be able to manually enroll the patients for you. For you, if it says enrolled, then you can click on that and you'll see the different sources. And then if there's any sources to confirm, it's possible. It'll also say, instead of saying enrolled, it could say Commonwell new sources. If there's new sources to confirm, you click on that. You'll see the gray box, sources to confirm, has a number next to it. You can click on the box to confirm and then update sources. If you have verified with the patient that this patient went to Pomona Valley Hospital, then you can update the source. It'll move from sources to confirm to the sources confirmed box, and then it'll be listed here. If you need to remove anything from the confirmed sources, you can easily click on the remove box on the left-hand side, click update sources, and it'll be removed from the sources, confirmed sources list. So that's the process to confirm sources. The next step that you may need to do would be to reconcile the chart. When you click reconcile, you'll have different areas that you can reconcile: problems, allergies, home medications, and immunizations. Problems have to be reconciled at the provider level. The back office personnel can do the rest. So under allergies, if there's anything that needs to be reconciled, you can do it there. Let me pull up a different chart. For reconciliation, you'll see that there is what's called an unverified data from outside sources. So if you are down here under medications and you are looking at if there's anything that needs to be verified, it'll be listed here from outside sources. You can click on that and you'll get options, a box to the right will appear where you can add, you can discard, and you can add with changes. And then under home medications, you'll complete history. Under allergies, you'll complete the reconciliation. And then your status will go to complete, that you have completed it, and it'll document that you completed at this date and time. That concludes the back office workflow. If you have any questions at any time, you're welcome to contact me at brian.ye@ventura.org. Thank you.